And he's back one more time. Smooth Q with a GoPro. Now, probably could have got a better angle here, couldn't I? So we'll lock it, and it's gone off. I'm not sure what the official. Oh. No, it's not doing it, is it? Double click. 3 click spins it round. Hello. 3 click back round. I was hoping. Still. It's pretty good. Flex on that there. Movements wise. I'm hoping if you film it this way, you don't have to narrow the shot, because when you're filming on the DJI, you have to know the shot. So when it's round like this, you obviously get a lot of that in. Where I'm hoping you get none of that in the shot. But we've still got that problem. Do you reckon it's too heavy for it? What would be too heavy? That side? This side? So one of those cases where you just have to play around with it and see how you get on. This doesn't do anything. Oh, it does. Yes, I think flashlight mode's always the best to use. In fact, it's not in properly. Aha! Let's try the there was before. And we'll go for 1 click to lock it. It's kind of locked. This can still go all the way around and still keep them pretty much steady shot. What's 2 do? Resets it? Yes. But yeah, I don't know. Is that better than the DJI? I'll have to get out and film. No, this isn't. There's got to be some gimbal in it, really. Look at that, spinning around there. I'll make this brighter so you get better. No, I can't. No, I must be able to. Come closer. Come closer. I don't know, pretty good that is. So anyway, just to show you what's happened, what's landed, and we'll give it a much better shoot at the weekend. So, thank you for watching. Any questions? Please feel free to ask.